What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. I just got done installing this Traxxas Widemaxx Kit on my Traxxas Maxx. I've got to say, I'm really liking those orange arms. You see there's a box right there. It is an older kit. I had this kit for probably around a year and a half or so. And just haven't got around to actually installing it. I was going to do a video putting this kit on the truck. I got a little excited and actually just went for it. And two, where we're at, the lighting's not that great. As you can see, it looks amazing with those bigger tires. We're running the Traxxas e-Revo 2.0 tires on it. You could definitely see that stance. That stance is quite a bit wider. I do believe it's standing a little taller as well. But that could be where I put the shocks. I put them on the upper hole to kind of get that little extra height. This kit does come with different rear springs, so you take the rear springs off the rear shocks and put them on the front, and then put the new springs on the rear, and it definitely seems to stiffen up the suspension a bit, which is definitely nice. Man, that orange is just awesome. Definitely like that. And it stands true to its bigger brother, the X-Maxx. I got to give those things some attention. They're both good to go. I just need to get some batteries for them, especially the 4S packs. But man, I can't wait to get this thing out and do a little rip. That truck just looks amazing. But alright, you guys, I just figured I'd give you a little update on the Traxxas Maxx. We'll be taking this truck out soon, so definitely make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.